Now we're going to practice your Paso Doble. So we're going to start with the arms crossed in front of the body, and we're going to wait for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and sur place. 5, 6, 7, 8. We now lunge forward with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4 with the left. 5, 6, 7, and we repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We now do a type of Botafogos, so we step across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Too fast. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. We now walk round for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to rock forward. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha, and with the left. 5, 6, 7, and 8. We just practice the arms. So we're going to take the arms up. We're going to take them down with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we can also do this turning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Step across with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Too fast. 1 and 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.